Hello traders, Joanne again from Binary Trader, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary options trading. Today I will show you a new simple, yet effective trend following strategy I am practicing these days. Before diving in, let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for the support. Let's start. I am trading at Pocket Option. You can find the platform link in the description as usual. First of all, let's discuss briefly what an engulfing pattern is. Here is an example of a bullish engulfing pattern. The body of the second bullish candle completely engulfs the body of the previous bearish one. The wicks are usually not considered for this pattern, unless they are too extreme. Such pattern is a strong sign of momentum, and the next candle is more likely to be also bullish. It is a good entry signal, though not on its own. This one is an example of a bearish engulfing pattern. Similarly, this is an indication that the next candle is more likely to be bearish. These will be our entries, but we will use them together with indicators. You will understand when I show my trades. I am trading this strategy on the 1 minute time frame, so I choose 1 minute 4 candles. And 1 minute for trade duration as well. Among indicators, I add RSI and 2 moving averages. Let's make the tab of RSI bigger, but I keep the default 14 for the period setting. I set the period for the first moving average to 13 and the type to SMA. I choose white as color, as usual for faster moving average. Period for the second moving average should be 21, and the type is the same. For the color I choose yellow. Choose some pairs with decent payout, and start looking for entries. Here I had to be quick, but I'll explain the situation. The faster SMA is clearly above the slower one, so there is a strong upward trend. Previous 2 candles form a bullish engulfing pattern. Lastly, RSI is above 50, so market is considered to be bullish. Based on these 3 confluences, there is a high chance the next candle will be a bullish one, so I placed a bet in the upward direction. This is a perfect time to press the like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss upcoming content. Don't forget to select all notifications. First trade 1. Let's go for the next setup. Look at this setup here. We likely missed it. It's probably late or unsafe to enter, but you can see a green candle is forming. Here the moving averages are lined up, trend seems strong, RSI seems okay. I feel like this candle will end up as red, and if the next one engulfs it, so they're gonna form a bullish engulfing pattern, I will place a bet. I can't stress enough how important patience is in trading. This is a perfect example, where we see a potential setup, and need to wait for some time, while it forms. Beginners usually don't like to wait, and consider any bad setup good, just because they feel like they need to place many trades, otherwise they think they are not doing anything. That's completely wrong, and it's called overtrading. Fewer well-thought trades are better. Also, waiting for a good setup is an integral part of trading. I cut out a lot of boring waiting time from my videos, as I don't want to bore people to death, but a trader has to watch and wait. If you'd like to try trading on this platform, feel free to follow the link in the video description. You can start trading with a small amount of real money, but I recommend to practice on demo balance first. When you become more confident, you can invest more. Here is the entry we were waiting for, so I forecast price gonna increase. The market is hard to predict, and you will lose often as a beginner, which is not a problem until you win more than lose. For this reason, when investing real money, it's better to have a slightly larger investment than you initially thought and keep the risk small instead. If you deposit a really small amount, like $10, and risk a few dollars on each trade, you will likely lose it very fast and keep pumping money in. While taking similar risks, $100 will keep you longer in the game. $10 10 times is the same as $100 at once, you might say. But with a slightly bigger capital, you will feel less fear of getting burnt. Therefore, you will make better decisions. Being longer in the game allows you to learn more and have a higher chance to become profitable. For some people, that amount is $1,000. It is really unique for everyone. But one thing is sure, practicing on demo is unavoidable for anyone. In this case, the faster moving average is clearly below the slower one. There is a clear downtrend. RSI is below 50. Bearish engulfing pattern is about to form, so at the close of the candle I'm gonna place a bet in the downward direction. If you can't bear staring at the chart, feel free to take a short break. The trade will play out without you watching nervously. You can perform the analysis when you return. This is the same situation as the previous. I forecast the price will decrease, but I wait for the candle to close before entering. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section or ask any further question. Don't forget to check payout levels regularly, as they might decrease over time. "15 minutes, 4 trades, $12,000 up. I end my session now and relax. I wish similar gains to everyone." Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please press the like button. If you like my content in general, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss new uploads. If you haven't done yet, after pressing the like button and subscribing to my channel of course, and selecting all notifications, use the link in the video description below to sign up to Pocket Option and start trading. Use the promo code to earn 50% extra on your first deposit. Thank you very much for watching the video. I wish you successful trading. See you next time.